All right, guys, so today I have another garage update. We got a Mitsubishi 2-ton split unit for AC and heat. This also has a dehumidifier capability built into it just because of the air conditioning. This is like a kind of an overkill for this 26 by 38 building, but it works out great. Here, I'll show you a little up close. It has isolating fans, so these open to isolate the air and heat up and down, and also left and right. You can also, here's the remote, choose between some other settings with here. So there's different modes. Eco is like to save energy, but with this unit, it barely uses any energy. The guy said that you barely even notice your electric bill. You can set time zones, so you can set not time zones, you can set time frames. You can set when it starts and stops. You can select your different fan speeds, the vanes, so that's the guys right there. They open up to go up and down, so you can have it isolating, you can have it point high, medium, low, and then extra low. This button right here chooses the direction, so you can have it isolate left or right, or you can have it just go to the left or to the right or to the middle or to both sides and not the middle. And then the powerful is to like really heat it up very fast in here. You can actually hear it kick in, or cool it down very fast. Mode is just hot and cold. Not really too much to do on there, but here, I'll turn it on. You can see it open up. And then it starts up. So we have it set to 78, full fan speed. So you can see full fan speed. That little button right there is for AC, set to 78 degrees. You can go set it down, you can set it up. For the isolating fans, you can see how they are isolating up and down. If you click this button, you can see how just sporadic. You can see how it pushes just up. You can see it move just in the middle. One more time. And it goes down one, and then there's also the straight down right there. Oh no, sorry, it goes even more down. But we keep it on isolating, and then for the vanes, it's the same type of thing. You can't really see it in action because it's all the way up in there. But yeah, it's a really cool unit. And you can actually, we had both the heat and AC on, and it really does a great job at cooling the place off. But you can see just in isolating mode, it's pretty cool and does a good job. And also it takes the humidity out of the air in the summer, and then heat in the winter. But here, I'll just turn it off. It closes up. And then I can show you what it looks like out back. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys about the hanging. There's just a little metal bracket on the back there. Up underneath, you probably can't see it, but really small form factor. And then you just drill a 2-inch hole into the building. And now I can show you what it looks like on the other side. Here's what the unit looks like in the back. Really small unit. Hose for condensation. Right there, it's super quiet. You can't even hear it on. That's where the hole is drilled from the back, wires and everything, pipe down to here to the unit. That's I think a electrical outlet with surge protection and whatnot. But yeah, it's a really nice unit, and it works great for this building. And we're really excited to get it put in. The garage is coming along. If you guys have any questions about the unit, leave a comment below, and I'll be sure to answer any of your guys' questions.